How does QLED TV work? QLED TV, quantum dot light emitting diode, works by using quantum dot technology to enhance color accuracy, brightness, and contrast. Unlike OLED, which uses self-emitting pixels, QLED relies on an LED backlight, combined with a quantum dot layer to produce vibrant and lifelike visuals. This technology is primarily used in Samsung and other premium TV brands. 1. Quantum dot technology enhances colors. QLED TVs use a layer of quantum dots, which are microscopic semiconductor particles that emit precise colors when exposed to light. These quantum dots improve color accuracy, delivering a wider color spectrum and more lifelike images. Second, LED backlight provides brightness. QLED TVs use a powerful LED backlight to illuminate the screen. This backlight enhances overall brightness, making the TV suitable for well-lit environments. It also contributes to high dynamic range, HDR performance, improving contrast between dark and bright areas. 3. Advanced color filtering improves image quality. The quantum dot layer acts as a color filter, refining the light emitted by the LED backlight. This process enhances color precision, ensuring deep reds, vibrant greens, and bright blues, making QLED TVs excellent for HDR content. 4. Local dimming enhances contrast. Many QLED TVs feature full-array local dimming, FALD, which allows the TV to adjust brightness levels in specific zones. This results in deeper blacks and better contrast, improving the quality of dark scenes without affecting bright areas. 5. Anti-burn-in technology increases lifespan. Unlike OLED, which can suffer from burn-in, QLED TVs use an LED-based system that does not degrade over time due to static images. This makes them a durable option for gaming, news channels, and long viewing sessions. 6. Smart features and high refresh rates. QLED TVs come with smart TV platforms, allowing access to streaming apps, voice assistants, and gaming features. Many models support high refresh rates, up to 120 Hz or more, ensuring smooth motion for sports and gaming. QLED TV technology delivers vivid colors, high brightness, and excellent contrast, making it ideal for HDR content and bright rooms. With quantum dots, advanced backlighting, and smart features, it provides a premium viewing experience with long-lasting performance.